Yeah, yeah. I was good to you. Benefit of the doubt should be my surname. I've always made a fool. I was good to you. Benefit of the doubt should be my surname.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new wig video. So I have a new wig from Dorsanee, and I'll have all the information and links located in the info section below. So be sure to check that out. So this is the wig that I picked up this time. I have this gorgeous kinky straight 4x4 inch lace closure wig, and this is what this wig looks like. My wig is 20 inches long, 180% density, and I do notice that this wig is super thick and I'm like here for it. So yeah. Now as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received it and to further kind of look at it and analyze it and figure out if anything needs to be done. Now for starters, I do need to bleach these knots, and I will be plucking the hairline just to make this wig look a little more realistic. I'm also going to get this wig nicely flat iron. However, I'm not going to do a silk press because I do want to keep some of that natural texture in this unit because it's gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off with some of this leftover Collada Colors bleaching powders. Now I do not recommend this stuff because it does stick to like the wig. It's just overall not a good bleaching powder, so don't get that. But I'm using my Collada Colors bleaching powder and my 20 volume developer, and I'm just applying that all over the lace so we can go ahead and get these knots nicely bleached. If you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, be sure to check the info section below because I'll have everything listed, all except for the Collada Colors bleaching powder, because y'all do not buy that. Instead, I'll add the BW2 pure white bleaching powder. I actually really do prefer that product. So yeah, check the info section below, and if you guys are interested in this wig, definitely use my discount code, which is M10, to save 10% off of your purchases. Also do keep in mind that Dorsanee accepts Easy Pay when you check out using PayPal, and they also do have Klarna, so you can definitely break up your payments to 4 equal payments, and they also do accept debit and credit card when you check out.
Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy.
So now that my knots are nicely bleached, I'm going to move on to styling. Now first I'm going to go ahead and redirect that part just because it was like very off-centered. So I'm going to put it a little more in the center. Then I'm going to prep, so therefore I can get ready to tweeze up my hairline. I like to brush everything back because it makes it to where it's super easy to see what I'm doing, and so therefore everything is nice and smooth. During this process you can also pull out the baby hairs because this wig does come with baby hairs. However, I'm going to thin those out as well because they were a little too thick for my liking. I like to just tweeze going straight back in like this motion. You guys know how I do this. You guys see me do this plenty of times before, but I went ahead and I tweezed up the hairline to make it look a little more realistic. It kind of has an appearance somewhat similar to like brush strokes, if you will. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull out the baby hair and get those nice and laid.
Making all this money. Every time I'm making all this money in a steady, yeah. Many of them looking at me, many of them trying to be me. They won't try and want me. Everything is a blessing. Every message that I see, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need that energy. Don't go bad, yo.
So I let the wig sit and air dry overnight. It's completely dry, so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and get this wig nice and flat ironed. I'm starting off using my hot comb, a little bit of wax stick to kind of get the top part to be nice and flat. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of my BioSilk hair serum and get this hair flat ironed. going to go ahead and work on the baby hairs now. Go ahead and remove that elastic band, and I'm going to go ahead and cut down my baby hairs just like maybe like an inch long. I think that's enough. So cut those down, and I'm going to go ahead and get those nice and laid and set for when we install the wig. Okay, so this lace is definitely giving Snow White, so I'm gonna have to tint it, and I like to go in using my Summer Shade foundation. So I'm gonna apply that all over the lace just to where we can get a nice even melt. That is what it's looking like. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get this wig on and see what we're working with. I'm now going to go ahead and trim off the lace. Now you can definitely cut off your lace while it's still on your canvas block. I'm only working with about 4 inches of lace, so I just decided to install it and then trim it off. It's not really a big deal, but you guys are seeing how it's coming together. Gonna apply a little extra foundation to those little spots that I may have missed, and then you guys are just seeing how it's just melting together. It's like literally coming together right before my eyes. You can definitely glue your wig down. I'm not, just because it's a nice snug fit, it's not going anywhere. It doesn't need the glue. I can literally put it on, wear it throughout the day, and pop it off at the end of the night. I love wigs like that. But now I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder just to make the part pop. And this wig is definitely giving natural. It's definitely giving gorgeous, and I'm here for it. You guys get into that shine. OMG. And you guys do see the lace and how it just blends nicely in with my skin. I never thought that it would, being how white it was to begin with, but y'all, it just came together. I don't know if this is high definition lace, but it definitely blended in with my skin tone. So use some foundation if it's a little too light for your complexion. It works like a charm. But get into this wig. You guys notice the body, the swing, the shine, the texture, everything about this wig is just so pretty, and I'm here for it. So now I wanted to give you guys a quick little styling option. I definitely wanted to wear this hair up and kind of out of my face, being that it's a higher density wig and it's quite hot where I live at. I'm in Arizona. It's like triple digits, like maybe like 111 to 115 right now. So I wanted to make sure that the hair is clipped out of my face. So I took this little cute gold duck beak clip and I just clipped up the back, and it's a vibe. It's definitely giving like effortless, you know, throw on and go. You're running errands, you're running around town, but for the most part it's out of your face. You guys do definitely check out Dorsanee. I'll have all the details and links provided in the info section below. If you guys are interested in this unit, be sure to use my discount code, which is M10, to save 10% off of your purchases. Definitely let me know what you guys think about this one. I know that I am loving it, but let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.